when you stop being the sort of person who dispenses with ideas, then you come to another place. We don't know the limits of human endeavor. We truly don't. So by projecting an image of God or projecting an image of your life or goals and fixating on that, you're sort of, it's not the finger that's pointing to the moon, it's the moon. So you're limiting yourself by your ideas and by just picking and choosing using cognitive biases of, oh, this idea matches my projections, I'll take that, and this one doesn't, I'll just throw it away. It's like we're binging on all these mental models, creating this projection that's actually limiting our potential. And to link that to the later part of his talk where he's had that little zigzag of the star, that pointer of just getting into motion and getting lost, that's sort of the missing element. That's something that people overlook. You get lost and then you use your ability to project to create a new aim, and then create a new aim, and the target always constantly moves. And that interaction with you and your aim is a relationship that develops a skill, maybe lets you listen to your intuition or listen to something, instead of having a relationship with just ideas that you're just picking and choosing and dismissing